Another day, another story. So, how do you live without working 9-to-5 jobs? Hello there. Have you ever wondered how to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and make a good living? Today, we've got an exciting solution for you. Commuting, office politics, and feeling stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill you? Meet Jonathan Montoya, a successful entrepreneur who cracked the code to financial freedom without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. People like you have taken Jonathan's 72-hour freedom challenge and transformed their lives. So, how can you make a living without the 9-to-5 grind? Introducing the 72-Hour Freedom Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. In just 72 hours, Jonathan will guide you step by step on launching your online business and making $100,000 yearly. Learn how to leverage affiliate marketing, create a compelling online presence, and maximize your productivity to achieve financial freedom. Imagine having the flexibility to work from anywhere, be your boss, and make a substantial income doing what you love. Jonathan's success proves that this isn't just a dream. It's a reality for those who take the challenge. So, if you're ready to take the leap and redefine your life, join the 72-Hour Freedom Challenge now. Do not let the 9-to-5 routine define your life. Embrace the freedom you deserve with Jonathan Montoya's 72-Hour Freedom Challenge. Click on a link and sign up today. Business coaches stand by to assist you on this journey at no extra cost. Embrace the challenge and free yourself from the 9-to-5 grind to financial freedom. Click a link to sign up today.